Hey guys, it's Steve from Thrift Team right here down below. Today I'm going to show you how to look up items to know what to price on eBay. This kind of goes with the beginner series. So when you go to eBay, we're going to be using a laptop here. This is for the laptop desktop. Let's say you want to look up this little Pennywise pop figure. So now if you look at it, I don't know if you can see there, but it's number 472, Pennywise with boat. Now what you're going to want to do in order to figure out how much to price this at is go to eBay into the search and you're going to type in Pennywise with boat. You could put 472 if you want or whatever, and you can see right here these are what people are asking: 11.95 free shipping, 10.63, things like that. But in eBay, anybody can ask anything they want. So see, you could put 50, you could put $1. You want to see what they're selling for, about the trending price. So the easiest way to do this is go over here to the left, and if you click completed, it's going to show you everything that's already been sold. And the green ones here are the ones that are actually have been sold. The black ones have not been sold. See, 0 bids, 4 bids. So green is what is sold. Another easy way is to just click over here and click sold. And that eliminates all the unsolds. So now everything here should be what's sold. So here's one that sold for 6 plus 3, so that's $10. 26, but you got to notice here that this one is a limited edition with the chase, which is has this little sticker here, which this one doesn't. It's not a chase. So this is just a regular one. And then let's see, there's two. This one is the exact same one, 14.75. So it kind of gives you an idea. So here's 9 free shipping. So if I was listing this, I would probably do about $12.95 with free shipping. I always like to include free shipping, and then after you ship and fees, you'll make probably like $7-8. It'll go first class, and then they're gonna take their fees. But you can see some of these are pretty rare. The Funko, there's a whole following on that, so it's something good to get into if you can. But that just shows you what they've sold for, so you can price them, because you don't want to just go in there and blindly price it. If you put $5 free shipping, not only are you going to lose money with the shipping and stuff, but you could have made an extra $5 by looking it up and seeing how much. And if you thought this was rare and put $100 and it's just a regular one, it's going to sit there, probably forever, unless somebody just decides to buy it for some reason. But more than likely, it'll just sit there. So you want to use your smarts. What you can do here is use these completed listings, and it goes for anything. If you were, looking up, let's just say a Raggedy Ann doll, then you can just type in Raggedy Ann doll, and you can see the different ones here. And then another trick, so these are what they're sold for. If you want to look for the rare ones, you could up here, instead of say where it says ended recently, you just go up here, shipping highest first, and then you could start. If you thought you maybe had a rare one, you could see, here's Raggedy Ann and Andy, and sold for $675. These ones, Forever Friends, something to be on the lookout for there. Wow, some of these go pretty high. But yeah, so then it's going to list it descending from the highest price all the way down. So this is just a way, some people like me, it's like something really easy that we all know, but there's a lot of people that are just starting or may not know this, and so I'm going to be putting out little tips and tricks for that. If there's anything that you want to see me do a video about, or the Thrift Team do a video about, please put a comment down there and we'll go ahead and make a video about it. Also join the Facebook group. You can see it up there on the banner. There's a little link. And please subscribe. We're trying to get lots of videos out so we can get more content and keep going and help people make money. We are, after all, a team. Thrift Team. Thanks for watching, guys. Smash the like, bell, all that, whatever. I don't even know. Just do whatever you can. Thanks.